One more thing, VIP membership. Right now, I'm offering full mentorship for anyone who wants to take their art skills to the next level. This is something I reserve for people who are going all in. If you want my professional guidance for as long as you are a VIP member, every day if you need it, then this is for you. What does that mean? I'm glad you asked. I was just about to explain it. Oh, finally, he asks a smart question. The VIP membership means that you can email me any drawing or painting, and I will look at it, pinpoint where you could do better, and send it back with arrows, explanations, or circles or whatever. Anything to make it clear and help you progress faster. Basically, I'll be your personal art tutor for the entire time. What if I want to send you a drawing every day? That's fine. It's unlimited for as long as you are a VIP member. And what if I stop paying? Well, then you're not a VIP member anymore, are you? Aww. But if you stop the payment, it will still last until the end of that month. But yeah, you can cancel anytime, no problem. What if I want to send you a drawing of my girlfriend? You don't have a girlfriend? Yeah, you could do that. I will look at anything you send me anytime. As long as it's appropriate. Please no nudity, okay? What if I send you 100 drawings per day? Here we go with the stupid questions. How can you draw 100 drawings per day, huh? I'm a super machine, watch me. Well, I guess I would look at all of them. But if you're using artificial intelligence, or if you're like messing with me some other way, I'm not sure how I would handle that. And what if I don't like what you say about my portraits? I will try to be as specific as possible and at the same time try to stay nice about it with my words, okay? And what if okay, enough questions. I think they get the point. Yeah, it's pretty clear, isn't it? You can sign up today for a monthly VIP membership, which stands for very important person, and hire me as a personal professional mentor.